La la la. La 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 la. Aw, come on! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I was trying to hook up my battery maintainer on my 944, and of course the mode switch doesn't work. It's a common problem, I guess. It happens. This one here was, I had it plugged outside at one point, so I don't know if dust or dirt or something got into it. Very easy fix. This Boxster here, if I leave it parked for a couple of weeks, the battery will slowly drain. So I always plug it in using a battery maintainer. In this case, in this car, it's the NOCO Genius G3500. And this one here, well, I just have it plugged into the cigarette lighter. It keeps the battery fully charged. Whereas in my 944, I use a CTEK Multi US 3300. All right, so first step, flip it over. Remove these 4 screws. Lift up the cover. Just pulls out. There you go. You just lift it up, flip it to the side. Here's the button. Next, you're going to get yourself a can of any kind of electrical contact cleaner. What you're going to do is you're going to give it some, spray it liberally. And you just spin the little, your mode button around here a little bit, press it a little, spread it around. Press it a little, press some more. This stuff evaporates fairly quick and it's safe on the electronic boards. And I'll give it one more shot. Give it a few minutes to dry. Allow the excess to come out. All right, and then you fold it back. Oh, I just pressed through the mode button. So be careful when you do that. Don't grab it and press through because it's a little flimsy little plasticky type of paper anyways, and I just busted through mine. So don't do that. like I said, be careful, don't press. This is very flimsy paper. I pressed through it. And here we go. Let's see if this worked. There you go, guys. And that's how you fix the mode switch on the CTEK. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. I'm going to put a link in the bottom of the video description to these products, the NOCO one that I use in the Boxster, and these CTEKs. Chances are these are the older CTEKs, so I'm going to put up whatever's the newest one available. And if you want to check it out or buy it off of Amazon, the link will be there. So yes, please like, share, and even better yet, subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you on the next one.